Hello YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to install GitHub files. So you ever get on GitHub and you're not too sure on what you're doing with things or whatever, and you get on there, you're like, well, I don't know what's going on here. I made a video about this. It's about YouTube Music Display. It's a YouTube app that you can use and you can listen to music. It's pretty cool on here. You can always do cool stuff. I have a video about it, but anyway. But yeah, so you're on GitHub and you want to download the files and you see what's cool and all that stuff. So what you're going to want to do is you go on GitHub, and whenever you see this screen like this, you're going to want to hit code. And then once you hit code, you're going to download zip. And that is how you install the files, everything that's in this file here. That's exactly how you do it. Okay, and then let's say you want to download like the .exe and you want to download the full file. So you want to go down to the right side and go to releases. This is the releases of the downloads. So these releases of the downloads go back here, right? And then these are the .exes. So this is for Windows right here. You're gonna download that. You know, you have the ARM for the mobile devices and the tablets and the honk and the homerooms and the refrigerators and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? And the Linux, and then a zip file again. So there you go. That's how you install files for GitHub. If you have any questions, let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.